Peace, everybody. It's the grand scheme of crypto. Jumping right into it, I just wanted to point out a quick tweet for you guys. I feel like there's a lot of alpha on Twitter that people are not aware of, and I'm going to try my best to bring some of that over to YouTube if I'm able to. I don't want to share too much and kind of saturate what the crypto space looks like, because people should really just kind of get on these other platforms. But I do want to share some of the information that is on crypto Twitter, because I feel like there's a huge gap between the different social platforms. But anyhow, this is something I wanted to point out to you guys. The Avalanche AVAX bridge between AVAX and ETH is very smooth compared to other ones like Matic and Binance Smart Chain. And also Spooky Swap is another good one that supports multiple chains. That's very easy and very smooth as far as bridging is concerned. Also, quick disclaimer that I have to give. This is not financial advice, even though I'm not telling you to purchase anything. And I am not a financial advisor. And just to take a look at Avalanche, here is the Avalanche bridge. Links will be in the description below. And all you do is connect to whatever wallet you have to the bridge, and you can bridge between, let's say, if you're on Ethereum, for example, you can bridge over to Avalanche and start buying coins on the Avalanche ecosystem, like some of these. It's the grand scheme of crypto. I'm out.